Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lutfi Asifa from Biology Education, Semarang State University. In here, I want to presentation about lab report epithelium pseudocomplex in trachea. Before I start my presentation, I want to tell about compounding interest. In this presentation, didn't have compounding interest because this presentation aims to study together and as an assignment English Scientific in the second semester of Biology Education at Semarang State University. Next is introduction of epithelium. Epithelial tissue is defined as all the shape of the cell layer consisting of sheet of cell or cellular membrane that cover body surface and lining body cavities. Epithelial tissue have various and shape and size. For example is epithelium simplex. The type of epithelium simplex are epithelium columnar simplex, epithelium squamosum simplex, epithelium cuboid simplex, epithelium transitional, and the last is epithelium pseudocomplex. And this lab report will discuss the epithelium pseudocomplex in trachea. Epithelium pseudocomplex is actually epithelium simplex, but because the shape and size of the cell are not same, it looks like layered, and so that the name is epithelium pseudocomplex because the cell is pseudo. And this is the picture of epithelium pseudocomplex. Next is objectives of lab report. The epithelium pseudocomplex in trachea lab report has the following objectives. First is to find out the original form to the epithelium pseudocomplex in trachea. Second, to know the function of the epithelium pseudocomplex. And third is to find out other parts of the trachea besides the epithelium pseudocomplex. Method of the practicum trachea to know the epithelium pseudocomplex. First is prepare the preparate of trachea. Second is observe the epithelium pseudocomplex in the preparate of the trachea under the microscope. Third is observe the other part of the trachea under the microscope with low to strong magnification. And the last is make the practicum report or lab report to determine the epithelium pseudocomplex and other part in the trachea. And next is result of the lab report about trachea. Number 1 is epithelium pseudocomplex. Number 2 is goblet cell or cell goblet. Number 3 is membrana basalis or basement membrane. Number 4 is cilia. Number 5 is lamina propria. Number 6 is lumen, and the last is number 7, nucleus or cell nucleus. The lab report have a conclusion. The conclusion of the epithelium pseudocomplex in the trachea is that the epithelium pseudocomplex have function to maintain respiration, define the mucociliary system, and can produce mucous substance. And the last is acknowledgement. I want to say thank you for Ms. Lutfia Nurhadianti as lecturer in English Scientific who has teach in our class how to make good presentation. Then also thank you for Ms. Rahayu Utami as lecturer in animal tissue structure, Farah Fadila and Dias Ratna as our lab assistant. And yeah, this is my presentation. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.